Take 5. Hey everybody. So here it is, Sunday again, and I'm back in the kitchen again. And man, I am just stuttering all over my words trying to do this video. Too early in the morning, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna make chili today, and I'd made chili on a video quite a while back, but I thought, well, I'm gonna do another video because I just kind of like doing this when I'm cooking and sharing with you guys and gals out there. So my ingredients are, this is a 14-ounce can of chili beans. This is my helper over here, Jason. Stay off the food. And then a 14-ounce can of pinto beans. I've got a regular size can of, this is roasted garlic and onion diced tomatoes. Then 2 cans of light red kidney beans. 2 cans of dark red kidney beans. And then I'm going to use about a cup. This is paste chunky salsa, and it's the mild variety. Then this is almost a half an onion. I'll use pretty much all of that. Got 1 pound of hamburger. Now we had salad this week, so I had a tomato left over, and I'm going to cut this up, put that into the chili also. And my chili seasoning this time around is going to be McCormick's original chili seasoning. We've used that before. I kind of prefer the Williams better than I do the McCormick's, although McCormick's is good also, but I was going to do something a little different. Oh, forgot one more thing. And I always like to use our homegrown basil, so I'm going to use probably about a tablespoon or a little bit more of this in there. One thing I found that's really easy when you need to drain the juices off your beans and everything for whatever you're making is get you a colander, put it in the sink, and just pour your cans in there, and then everything drains out, and then all you got left is the beans, and you can, you know, put them in whatever. Now, I will not be draining. I'm going to keep the juice on the chili beans. I'm going to use that to add flavor. And then my diced tomatoes, I'm not going to drain the juice on that. So I'm going to use the juice from those 2 things to go in with the chili, and it gives a pretty good flavor. So hang with me here in a little bit, and we'll get this all mixed up. Oh, and also, before I forget, when I cook my hamburger, I also like to put just a little bit of the chili seasoning on it and a little bit of seasonal with the hamburger when I'm cooking it. I do not go by the directions on the chili seasoning pack. Mainly I just use this for my seasoning, and everything will go in this big saucepan here when I'm done. So we'll get this all mixed up and show you what it's like, and then later on today I'll get it out and I'm going to put it, I'm just basically getting everything prepped now, so later on in the day all I got to do is take this out of the fridge and throw it on the oven and start warming it up. I'm going to get the hamburger cooked now and have that done, and then everything will be mixed together. So stay with me and we'll see how this all turns out. Really enjoy doing this, so you know, if you guys like our channel, by all means be sure to subscribe to it. It's a little bit of everything. Probably, I don't know if I'll do any more cooking videos after this for a while. I'm trying to get the Clark Kitty Gang to be a little more popular on YouTube also, so I might do some more of that with our cats. Like I said, my helper's over here. This is Jason. Hey buddy. And this is Jason. Stay off this side though. So anyway, I'll get this stuff all together, and we'll have some pretty good chili later on today. So we'll talk to you later. Good boy, Jason. Okay, so this is what I was telling you about earlier as far as getting your juice drained off your beans and everything. It's so easy to just take, you know, I take all my cans here and throw them in there all at once, and it gets all the juice drained off of, and then it just real easy to go ahead and pour in my pot later on. So real fast, real easy way. You don't have to take time of draining each individual can a little at a time. So be sure to use that when you're going to go ahead and drain your juice off your beans and whatever. So we're still getting stuff mixed up, and we'll see what we got going when it's done. Okay, so we got all the beans, the tomatoes, the salsa, and everything's all mixed up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the hamburger cooking. Like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of the chili seasoning in the hamburger. along with a little bit of Morton's seasonal salt. That way the meat's good and seasoned. Then once I get this all cooked and everything, then we'll mix it up into the beans. And what's left, we'll put right back here. A bit of this. I don't use a whole lot of this on the hamburger, just enough to give it a little bit of seasoning, and then a little bit of the chili. Okay, so this will start cooking, get this all done, then I'll put the hamburger into the beans and everything in this pot, mix it up real good, stick it in the fridge, and then later on today I'll get it back out and we'll fire that up for our supper tonight. So stay tuned and we'll see how this all turns out after we get her all cooked. Okay, everybody, so it's time to get this chili going. I'm going to get it up to a boil, and then I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat down to low, and then go ahead and let it simmer. Probably let it simmer about 45 minutes to an hour. Just all depends on how long you really want it to simmer, but I think 45 minutes to an hour is plenty. Again, I'll get it up to boiling, and then we'll let it simmer, and then we'll be ready to try this out and see how it turns out. So hope everyone enjoyed this video. Appreciate all of our subscribers for hanging out with us and staying tuned to the channel. So anyone new that comes across this video, I hope you take time to check out the rest of our videos on our channel and subscribe to it. So here in a little bit we'll see how this all tastes. Talk to you later. Should be pretty good, I think. Okay, so the chili has simmered for about 45 minutes. Looks really good, smells good. So let's go ahead and give this a little bit of a taste test. So far in all my cooking videos, I've not done any taste test at the end of it. We'll try this on the chili and see what it tastes like. Looks good. Holy crap. Oh man. Wow, that was a fail. I don't know. Oh, wow. I don't know what I did wrong with the seasoning on this, but that tastes like dirty socks or something. Man, I'm going to have to throw that whole thing out. That is absolutely nasty. Wow, I don't know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. Fooled you guys for just a second, didn't I? So yeah, this chili turned out really good. Man, that has got a good flavor to it. For those of you who actually watched the video to the end, I hope you got to see this little funny part of this. But yeah, this turned out really good, and hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope you liked the last of it. I'm trying to be a little goofy too. So we're gonna sit down here in a little bit and have our chili. Appreciate all of our subscribers and anybody who's new that comes to this channel. Hope you check us out and subscribe to our channel. So I'm Kevin. Everybody be safe, be strong, and we will talk to you later. Yeah, that's really good. Don't taste bad at all.